Hey there. Well, so I had this idea to spice up my mowing life. You know, I've been doing a lot of mowing lately. Some big old freaking property here. So, we got these. Googly eyes. Oh, we got some googly eyes. We're gonna glue our googly eyes onto our beautiful little mower down here. This is my friend. Hello, mower friend. Oh, God. Oh God, the camera's going crazy. Woo! Look out, noob here. Oh, I think that stopped there. Look at this beauty. Oh yeah, that's gonna be fun, eh? This is the bad boy right here. The old John Deere D10. Ooh, she's a beast. I don't know, this thing's old. I don't know how long they've had this thing. Look at this shiny bad boy. Woo! So this is gonna get our googly eyes. Make a little more fun out here, you know? I think that's it. We have our our double-sided tape. Oh no. Okay, double-sided tape. Cleaning solution. I don't know where we're gonna stick it. Probably right on here. We'll see, but we're gonna clean her up a little bit. So the double-sided tape, you know, so that gets a nice seal. We have our Zep disinfectant. So our googly eyes. I tried to find bigger ones, but these are the biggest I can find at the moment. I would like to find really big ones. I think that would be great. How is there water inside this one? Can you see that? It's misty. There's water inside this googly eye. There's a leak. So, something like this. Well, the sun should dry that out, right? Well, this can't get very wet. These are like cardboard. Something like that, eh? So, you have double. Oh god, I don't have scissors. Or a knife. I got a memento. We'll bring you on an adventure here. Going to the shed. And maybe find ourselves a knife. Knife! I think there's one in here somewhere. Look, a sick three-wheeler here. Woo! Take that baby for a spin. Okay, look. Swing! Olaf. Well, there's some more of, you know, what we're working with out here. Nice, lots and lots of grass. Okay, let's set her back up here. Perfect. All right, we got her. Oh my God! Look at that blade. What is the? I think we're going for the shortest. The shortest looks the less rusty here. We're gonna pop this bad boy off. Looks like there's a little bit of blade left on the very end. That's all we need for this. Ready? Woo! Swing! And now we sort of have a thing. Check out our tape job. Excellente. Man, I'm good at putting tape on things. Okay, so it's double-sided tape. Oh shit. It's gonna stick. It should stick. We'll just give her some pressure here, you know? Pressure it up. And then I'm gonna peel off this little red. Oh god, I'm gonna do this. Oh, this is the hardest part. Getting this red shit off. Come on, you little turd. No. I got a little piece here. See? I've got a little guy here. I'm trying to do this one hand as well, which is, let's say, challenging. Oh, okay, I gotta put this down. I got corner. Yeah. Okay, one. Let's see what you're seeing here. Oh shit! Oh my god. It's a noob here trying to make videos. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. Uno, googly. Perfect knife. Alright. Last red tape. Exciting, right? That was exciting. Oh frick. We're turning things again here. Oh my god. Okay, one googly eye. And now we have our new friend. We'll have to think of a name for him. Alright. Well, that was pretty sick. See, this one's got some moisture in there. And now we have googly eyes on our lawnmower.